you survive it. You and you. There's hailing too. Helicopters flying, one above me. Look at that cone. I put that there for a reason. See how much it would flood. Okay, look at this cone right here. That cone. There, Jonathan. And that's just the water. It ruined my whole garden. Like, ruined everything. That flew out of the garage. I just can't believe that happened. Like, I don't know. Like, this is really surprising. Look how short those weeds are. They're like all the way up to, I don't know. Oh God, it's so deep. Okay, you can't even see my, oh, you can barely see my hand. You can barely see my hand. That's just water from an hour of showers. Exactly. I'm pretty sure. And it's been terrible. Well, I think it's really good for the drought that we're having. That's not 10% of it. 10%. We're like 50 more years. Seriously? I'm on the news right now. I don't know. But blurry. See, that's on land a little. Yeah. See, here's a lid to a Tupperware I just found. And look how deep it is. This is how big it is. It's halfway of this. Halfway. Oh, actually, like 3/4 actually. Stop it! Okay, so, yeah, this is what happened during the storm. Everything flew. Like, it was a disaster. Just want to let you guys know that. Bye.